Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy A6 using Odin app without data loss. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software. To do it, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, go to Software Information, and in here we have our current version. In my case it's A600FN XXU9C VB1. It's important because when it comes to Samsung devices, we need to remember about one thing. We can install the same version that we currently have and every version above. It's impossible to install older version than our current. Basically, in this video, we want to update our software, so it's logical that we want to get a higher version. But when it comes to me, that's already the latest version, so I can only flash the same version once again. If you have the older version, simply you'll be able to do it. So follow my steps. Okay, when it comes to the exact model number, in my case it's SMA600FN. Okay, once we know the software version, we gotta power off the device, so hold the power key and select power off. Now, visit our page, HardReset.Info, and go to download section, and here type Samsung drivers, click on search, and select Samsung drivers, and hit the download button. Then type Odin, download the latest version 3.14.4. This one right in here. Also hit the download button. Then you gotta open up a new tab. Type SMA600FN firmware. Scroll down a little. I highly recommend to use this page, samfw.com. Click on that. Scroll down a little. We have our phone, I should take a look. And in here we gotta type our country or the CSC code. I have the Polish version, so I'll type Poland. Now scroll down, and in here we have all software versions. I had the latest version, just like I was talking about before, so I can only install the same version once again. But in your case, let's say that, for example, you have this version, CTE1. It means that you can install the same version once again, but we want to get an update, so you can select every version that is above. In my case, I'll have to select the one that I currently have. Scroll down, and we have 3 download links. It's up to you which one you'll pick. There is no difference. Let's say that I'll pick the one in the middle. First, it needs to load. And hit the download button to start the process. In my case, everything is already downloaded. So let's open up the downloads folder. And in here, we have our software, Samsung drivers, and the Odin app. You gotta extract those 3 files. You can use WinRAR for it. It's up to you. Right click WinRAR and click on extract to. If you don't have the WinRAR, you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. All 3 files. Remember about it. And now open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and double click, and you gotta install them. In my case, it says that it's already installed, so I'm not going to repeat the installation process once again. But in your case, if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation. So thanks to that, everything will work properly. The whole installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, 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 and then wait until it's installed. It should take up to 5 minutes. Now, open up the folder with Odin, double click, and launch the program, the exe file. Click on OK. We have our Odin, and now on our phone, we gotta enter download mode. To do it, we need to have the USB cable that is also connected to our computer. And now, the phone needs to be turned off. And we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. And while we are holding those buttons, we gotta plug the cable. When you plug the cable, don't release the volume keys yet. Wait until you see a menu. So volume up and volume down. Insert the cable and keep holding the volume keys until you see this menu. It's pretty dark, but I hope that you can see it. Now we gotta click on volume up, and we are in the download mode. Also, in Odin app, we can take a look that our phone has been added. It means that it's properly and successfully connected. You gotta see the numbers. If you don't see them, something is wrong. You can try to switch the USB cable I highly recommend to use the original one or a different, a good quality USB cable. Okay, but everything is fine in our case, so now we gotta click on BL, go to Downloads, open up the folder with the software, and select BL file, because we have clicked the BL button. Now the AP, select the AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer, because that's the biggest file that we have. So we need to be patient, but it won't take that long, up to 30 seconds, I think. Maybe a minute. Okay, now the CP, select the CP file, and now we have a really important part. Click on CSC, and we gotta select Home CSC, because if you pick normal CSC, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. We don't want that, we just want to update our software, so that is why we gotta select Home CSC, double click, wait until it loads, okay, and now click on Start. The whole process has started, as you take a look right in here, and it's slowly fulfilling. Basically, when it goes to the opposite edge, it means that everything worked perfectly. We also see a word pass right in here, which will also mean that everything is okay. Now we just gotta keep waiting until the whole process is finished. So I'm about to mute the microphone, and I'll get back to you once it's finished. Okay, as you can see, the phone has turned on. In the Odin app, we can see that it's passed. We can close everything up. We can also unplug the cable. And as you take a look, our phone has been successfully updated. If you want to verify the software version, go to Settings, then About Phone, Software Information, and here you'll be able to verify it. Just like I'm saying, I was flashing the same version once again, so in my case there is no difference. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.